Rich and creamy, nutritious, cooling and filling. Welcome to Water Gravy's 5 minutes timer challenge recipe. To prepare the coconut cream smoothie, to a mixer jar, add half a cup of tender coconut water or 120 ml. Add 1/4 cup of whole milk or 30 ml. Add 1 cup equaling to 240 ml of tender coconut meat or pulp and another half a cup of the same. This quantity of pulp is from 2 tender coconuts. Add 1/3 cup or 80 ml of condensed milk. This is sweetened condensed milk. For vegan options, you can use any plant-based milk and cream or plant-based milk and yogurt. Add half a cup of ice cubes. Close the lid. Blend until everything is well mixed and you get a smoothie-like consistency. As the condensed milk is sweetened, I'm not adding sugar. You can have the smoothie for breakfast too, as coconut cream has some protein and being rich in fiber keeps you feeling full for a long time. Coconut malai or cream helps strengthen the gut bacteria, thus aiding in digestion and preventing inflammation. To serve, I'm using pure Homemade Nannari Sarbat and some tender coconut pieces for garnishing. Pour 1 teaspoon of the Nannari Sarbat into each of the glasses. Swirl the glass around. I have shown the preparation of pure homemade Nannari Sarbat in the summer drinks series. This has kept good for almost 5 months now. You can find the link for the same in the description box below. Now pour the fresh coconut cream smoothie. This is really thick. You can see how creamy it is. Coconut cream also has coconut oil, which helps boost good cholesterol and also helps in the absorption of important nutrients like vitamins A, K, D and E. Add a little bit of Nannari Sarbat to the tender coconut pieces. You can use any syrup or Sarbat that you have, or you can have it as such in its original flavor. If you're not using any syrup, you can add additional sugar or jaggery as per taste. Garnish with the tender coconut pieces. With tender coconut water, milk and coconut cream, here we have a cold and refreshing coconut cream smoothie. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And do let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting recipe.